This is picture from the camera like that. Nothing it. I will choose my preset here, Carlos 2 here. I'll give you this preset in description. Okay, I'll make a little bit warm and expose a little bit down. Always, I need to tell you, always when I take a picture, always I leave the horizon far away from the head. Always try to put the head under the trees like that here. You see here is trees and the horizon far away. It's easy for us to add new sky and take this boring sky. Okay, let's do it in Photoshop now. Okay, wait for computer. Of Control O. No. Control 0. Come on. Control 0. Put it. Okay, I already have the sky here. Select because I don't want to make this tutorial very long. Put it here. Try to reduce the opacity. Okay. Try to remove the opacity a little bit down to see where I need to put the sky. But I just allowed here, I think here. See, put it back like that, 100%. Duplicate the background here, put it in top. A mask, add the mask, white mask here. Go to black brush here. Make it 100%, little bit bigger. Okay, and make it a little bit smaller here. Okay, and the raise here. You see, it's easy. By the way, the sky is the same. I already checked the sky at the same place. And I did, yes, same place for that. Okay, now I'm going to put another white layer here, line layer. Choose this color like that and do it like this on top of the model. Brush always 0 soft round brush, yeah. Here opacity, make it between 9 and 12. And mask again, black brush here and erase from the subject like this. See, here is done. Okay, flatten this image like that. Go here, elliptic marquee tool, feather 1000, do it like this. And I Control Shift I. Here, curve. Make the background a little bit dark, like this. And you can see now, smoothie. The picture. Now I go to black here. The raise a little bit here. I need the model to pop up in the picture. You need to be bright than the background. Okay, now I'm going to add black and white. Red a little bit that way. You see, you can just leave it like this. Amazing. Okay, blending mode, I'm going to change it to soft light and reduce it here. Opacity a little bit. See, now it's more moody. And I'll clear it a little bit. Put the opacity a little bit like this. And again, take it from the model. Oh. Plus image. Again, another black and white. Now I'm going to change the blend. No, okay. Press 18. click here and choose around here until you really like it. But here you change blend mode to soft light again. Okay, again go here, try to use the proper one. Maybe this one, I love it. I like that one. Yeah, you can choose this one. That depends of the picture anyway. Reduce it like that until you fade. Okay, and always film vintage. Okay, saturation is, yeah, this is one. Okay, brightness 0, film strength 7, type 14. Okay, it's done. Press OK. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Or don't subscribe. Give me like or dislike. Just do it. If you don't like it, put dislike. I'll be very happy as well. Thank you for watching again. See you soon.